all you kids, do you have dreams of things that you'd like to do with life? Do you have games you'd like to play or places you'd like to go? Think of some of those places, or think of some of the things that you would love to do. And if you follow your dream, it will take you on the ride of your life. And I know me, I'm a little bit older than a lot of you kids. And I've traveled the world, met some amazing people and done some amazing things just because I followed my dreams.
So this is something that tells you to cook it when and why, because in why you have little food. So when you cook, it will help you know when to start cooking, so you won't overcook and lose more food.
Yeah, that's a great food saving idea, Asher.
And I didn't have enough time to put actually two more animated guys like the fire thing I put in there and the water thing in there.
And one idea I came up with is the peace robot that breaks up fights. That whenever it senses, aggression, it can go there and, cool things down.
Okay. First of all, this is a dome, a giant dome. That's going to be deployable from space, because of course when it's space, it's practically weightless. So it's huge. It's the thing's huge. It's a dome that unrolls from this box, which also contains an AI. Okay, so the dome has the ability to cover an entire country. Okay, so that was Elson's idea. We had a dome, unbreakable glass that could deflect, that can deflect asteroids or possibly missiles from other countries. Okay, because of course the first step to having peace is being alive, to be able to have the peace, and then we have projectors to stop war, because they would be flashing videos and pictures, posters and people telling them to stop war. Of course, this only activated when the AI detects that there is civil unrest in the country. On top of that, we have the weather machine that controls the weather, so that whenever the AI detects that numerous amount of people are having a picnic, it will not rain today. And finally, we have this thing called Peace Mist, trademark, patent pending. That will cause people to take deep breaths and consider their actions before they say war, war, war. Instead, they'll be saying peace, peace, peace.
After that, there's a projector that sees someone fight, and it would put them in the same one when you would have sort out with each other. So by putting it together, phone and remote, you make a projector that shows how we can make peace. That's a really good idea. And yeah, this is my idea. Is a super safe robot. 1.1. This robot will put you up 5 to 6 feet up in the air, and it'll tell you some advice or make you talk about why are you fighting and fix it. I mean, there's
based on the drawing, it seems that the robot is giving out medicine. Yeah,
we're making some.
and
Move on. Oh, look at this. The one has laser eyes that scans danger that we kids may be in. Good idea. I'm sometimes in big danger. This car transforms into a robot that brings peace by picking up people who want to fight.
Sure. So this part is a robot or power suit that you basically can put on. It neglects and prevents damage. So if someone tries to damage you in the robot neglects it and deflects it back into the person who made the damage. And then that thing can be used to stop fighting. And almost maybe, everyone can have it, since we we can sell it for like $50 to $100. The food storage area is made in the middle part of the body. When you open it, there's like a holographic portal that connects to a factory that makes food, and you can just grab food out of it, and then it's basically infinite food. Next slide. And then first of all, it's a robot. It detects fighting, then makes a 45 tall and deep steel wall. So no, they're gonna be separated. No, they can't fight anymore. At 3 feet thick.
So when somebody's fighting, a wall will suddenly appear in between the both of you.
So my robot has unlimited food and for can massage you when you have stress so that you will have peace in your mind, and it can bring peace in only 1 minute, and it can heal people.